Google Cybersecurity Certification Practice Questions. Set 2. Question 1. Which of the following helps protect sensitive data? A. Encryption. B. Network scanning. C. Firewalls. D. User authentication. The correct answer is A. Encryption. Encryption converts data into a secure format to prevent unauthorized access. Question 2. What is the primary goal of a firewall? A. Monitor network traffic. B. Block unwanted network traffic. C. Encrypt sensitive data. D. Detect malware. The correct answer is B. Block unwanted network traffic. A firewall filters incoming and outgoing traffic based on security rules. Question 3. Which of the following is a type of malware? A. Ransomware. B. Firewall. C. Encryption. D. Authentication. The correct answer is A. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that demands payment for decryption. Question 4. What does phishing refer to? A. Data encryption. B. A method of identity theft. C. A network security technique. D. A type of malware. The correct answer is B. A method of identity theft. Phishing involves tricking users into revealing confidential information, like passwords. Question 5. Which protocol is used for secure web communication? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. HTTPS. D. SMTP. The correct answer is C. HTTPS. HTTPS encrypts web traffic, ensuring secure communication between users and websites. Question 6. Which of the following is used to detect security breaches? A. IDS. B. Firewall. C. VPN. D. Encryption. The correct answer is A. IDS. An IDS monitors network traffic for suspicious behavior or known attack patterns. Question 7. What is the primary function of multi-factor authentication? A. To simplify user login. B. To encrypt network traffic. C. To verify users using multiple factors. D. To scan for malware. The correct answer is C. To verify users using multiple factors. MFA requires users to provide more than one verification method to access resources. Question 8. What does social engineering in cybersecurity refer to? A. Manipulating individuals to disclose confidential information. B. Using encryption to secure communications. C. Installing software to detect malware. D. Blocking malicious network traffic. The correct answer is A. Manipulating individuals to disclose confidential information. Social engineering attacks exploit human psychology to access sensitive data or systems. Question 9. What is the role of a VPN? A. Prevent system breaches. B. Encrypt internet traffic and protect privacy. C. Detect and remove malware. D. Store passwords securely. The correct answer is B. Encrypt internet traffic and protect privacy. A VPN encrypts internet traffic, making it harder for hackers to access data. Question 10. What does encryption help prevent? A. Password theft. B. Unauthorized data access. C. Data corruption. D. Malware installation. The correct answer is B. Unauthorized data access. Encryption ensures data remains secure and inaccessible to unauthorized users. Question 11. What is the purpose of a security patch? A. Increase system performance. B. Fix security vulnerabilities. C. Install malware protection. D. Optimize system settings. The correct answer is B. Fix security vulnerabilities. Security patches address flaws that could be exploited by attackers. Question 12. Which of these is an example of a cyber attack? A. Hacking. B. System backup. C. Data encryption. D. Secure password policy. The correct answer is A. Hacking. Hacking is an unauthorized attempt to access systems or data. Question 13. What is the key advantage of using two-factor authentication? A. Enhances password strength. B. Makes login faster. C. Provides an additional layer of security. D. Automatically encrypts data. The correct answer is C. Provides an additional layer of security. 2FA adds an extra verification step, enhancing the security of login procedures. Question 14. Which of the following is not a type of cyber attack? A. Phishing. B. DDoS. C. Social engineering. D. Firewall configuration. The correct answer is D. Firewall configuration. Firewall configuration is a security measure, not a type of attack. Question 15. What does the principle of least privilege suggest? A. Giving users the least amount of access necessary. B. Allowing users to access everything. C. Limiting the number of users on a system. D. Granting full access to administrators only. The correct answer is A. Giving users the least amount of access necessary. The principle of least privilege minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Question 16. Which of the following is a common symptom of a malware infection? A. Increased system speed. B. Sudden changes in system performance. C. No network traffic. D. Decreased login attempts. The correct answer is B. Sudden changes in system performance. Malware often causes system slowdowns or unusual behavior. Question 17. What is the role of a honeypot in cybersecurity? A. Attract and trap attackers. B. Encrypt sensitive data. C. Monitor network traffic. D. Block unauthorized access. The correct answer is A. Attract and trap attackers. A honeypot is a decoy system designed to lure attackers and detect their activities. Question 18. What is brute force in the context of cybersecurity? A. Breaking encryption by guessing passwords. B. Encrypting files using complex algorithms. C. Blocking network traffic from unauthorized users. D. Scanning systems for vulnerabilities. The correct answer is A. Breaking encryption by guessing passwords. A brute force attack attempts to guess passwords using every possible combination. Question 19. What is the purpose of a security audit? A. To prevent unauthorized system access. B. To evaluate the effectiveness of security controls. C. To create strong passwords. D. To detect malware infections. The correct answer is B. To evaluate the effectiveness of security controls. Security audits assess vulnerabilities and ensure that security measures are working effectively. Question 20. Which tool helps organizations detect unauthorized network traffic? A. IDS. B. Antivirus software. C. VPN. D. Data encryption. The correct answer is A. IDS. An intrusion detection system monitors and identifies suspicious network traffic.